Good morning, students. Sairam. Let us start a new topic in composition, which is descriptive essay. Now, what is a descriptive essay? We will understand. What is a descriptive essay? A descriptive essay is an essay which describes something in detail. Something means it can be about a particular, a person or a place or any incident which has happened in your life which you cannot forget, and you want to describe it in detail. That is known as descriptive essay. Okay, and you're going to describe means you're going to write it down, or you're going to tell something, everything in detail. Okay, now it can be an object, person, an event, place, and an experience. So it can be an object. Okay, any favorite thing which is in your house which you like very very much. Suppose it is your toy, so you want to describe it in detail. How is the toy, what is the color of the toy, who gave it to you on your birthday, or who gifted you, or why you like that toy very very much. So everything you want to tell, but you want to tell it in detail. That is known as descriptive essay. Or you want to tell about a particular person. Suppose you want to describe about your mother. How is your mother? Is she fair? How does she cook? Does she goes to work? What things how she spends time with you, and why you love your mother so much. So these are the things, small things you want to describe in detail, and that is known as descriptive essay. Or it can be an event. Suppose your unforgettable last year's birthday party. You cannot forget, it was very very amazing. You had a lot of fun in your birthday, and you want to describe each and every details of your birthday party. So that is also a descriptive essay. Similarly, a place. If you have visited any place in your vacations and you really enjoyed that place, so you want to describe how was that place, how was the weather of that place, how many days did you spend in that particular place. So every small things when you describe, that is known as descriptive essay. Or it can be an experience, your personal experience. If you have gone somewhere, or something happened in your life which you want to share with someone, that is also a descriptive essay. Now let us see an example of descriptive essay. So this is a question. How the question will be asked: write a descriptive essay on my pet. So here we are going to describe my pet. Okay, now listen to me carefully. I'll read out slowly, you just understand. My pet. Pets are unique and most adorable creatures on planet. So they are unique means they are different. Okay, and you like them very very much. They are very adorable means they are very lovable. On planet means on this planet Earth. Okay, now pet animals are those animals which we can keep in the house. Yes, pet animals are those animals which we live with them in the same house. We share the same room. They live in our house. They are like one of a family member of the house. So they are called as pet animals. Pets are also considered as loyal animals. Why loyal? Because whatever you give them to eat, however you keep them, they are happy. They love the way you treat them. So that is why you like the company of pets, and they are considered as loyal animals. Okay, even when you go out somewhere, they miss you a lot, and when you come back, they jump on you. They want to show their love and affection towards you. So that is loyal, and they will eat whatever you give. They will treat you the same way as you treat them. So they are loyal animals. They too become a part of our family as they show their love and affection to us. As I told you, the same way which we show our love and affection to us, the same way the pet animals also show their love and affection to us. So what now? Descriptive essay will have 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph will the first paragraph will be about the topic, that you're describing the topic little bit in detail. What are pets? So here I just described in few sentences what are pets. Okay, so pets are unique, they are adorable creatures. So this is your first paragraph. Then your second paragraph, you will write everything in detail. Why that pet is your favorite, and why do you like that pet animal. So you're going to describe each and every small thing of that particular pet. Okay, and the third paragraph is your conclusion part, wherein you're going to conclude the essay by telling that I like my pet very very much. Okay, so you're going to describe it in you're going to conclude the essay in few sentences. So a descriptive essay will consist of 3 paragraphs. How many paragraphs? 3 paragraphs. The first one is your introduction. You're going to introduce, or you're going to just write in detail about that particular topic, few sentences, and then you're going to start describing about that particular topic. Now look at this. This is the second paragraph. I have a pet rabbit. So I have a pet rabbit. Her name is Coco. Okay, so I have named the rabbit as Coco. She was given to me as a gift by my uncle. By my uncle. Okay, so I got that rabbit as a gift on my birthday, and it was gifted to me by my uncle, and I named her Coco. She is white in color and have beautiful red eyes. So a rabbit has red eyes, and she is what in color? She is white in color. Her paws are brown color on the edges. Paws means they are the four legs, and this which they have, that the edge part is brown in color. She is intelligent and full of energy. So she runs here and there, she plays with me, and she is full of energy. Okay, I play with her when I come back from school. Okay, so play with her I play with her. When do I play with her? When I come back from school, I play with her. She loves to eat coriander leaves. Now, what are coriander leaves in Marathi? It is known as kothimbir. Okay, the leaves that the rabbit loves to eat, those leaves of coriander. Every morning, she hops on my bed and wakes me up. So, what does she do? She comes on my bed in the morning and she wakes me up. Okay, that is the cutest thing. I have kept her in a basket which I have beautifully decorated. So I have made a special place for her in my house. I have, kept her in a basket, and I have decorated it very, very beautifully. She sleeps in it, and where the rabbit sleeps in that particular basket which I have made for her. Her ears are very, very sharp. As we all know, rabbits have sharp ears. So we all know that rabbit have long ears, and those are very, very sharp. They can hear each and every minute things very, very clearly. Okay, now she also loves to eat fresh leafy vegetables. Okay, rabbit like to eat leafy vegetables as well as carrots. We all know that rabbit loves carrot a lot. She enjoys rain a lot. Okay, now my rabbit enjoys rain a lot. Whenever it rains, she dances, she goes here and there, and she becomes very, very happy. She loves to watch television with us. So see, they are just animals. They don't know what is television, what are computers. But whenever we watch TV in the house, they also stare at the television. So I'm just, you have to just tell whatever things they love to do, what is their daily schedule, how do you spend time with that particular pet. So she loves to watch television with us. Her favorite program is Tom and Jerry. And what is her favorite? Because as I watch Tom and Jerry, so she also sits beside me and she also be staring at that TV. So that is her favorite program, Tom and Jerry. Okay, now comes my conclusion part, that is the third paragraph. I give her bath every day. Okay, now as if we have pets in our house, we keep them clean by giving them bath every day. As we have bath every day, we should give the animals also bath every day. I also cut her nails every Sunday. So even your mother must be trimming your nails on a particular day. But I cut my rabbit's nails on Sunday. My mother has stitched few clothes for her. So see, if you are having pet, you have that a craze, or you love to give them whatever you are means you should. If you are wearing clothes, even you want your pet animals to wear clothes. So my mother has stitched few clothes for her. She looks so cute in those clothes. So imagine a rabbit wearing clothes, a t-shirt, a small t-shirt or a small frock. Imagine so cute that animal will look. My rabbit is my best friend. So my rabbit is my best friend, and I love her very much. Okay, so when there are pets in your house, and if you are alone child of your parent, you don't you don't need of anybody else playing with you. You just enjoy playing with that particular pet animal. So same way, I love my rabbit very very much, and it is my best friend. So similarly, now understood children how to write a descriptive essay. Here I described everything in detail about particular small things about how my rabbit is, what is the color of it, what does it likes to eat, everything I explained in detail. Okay, so same way you're also going to try this. Write the same topic in your as take it as homework. Write the same topic and write it in your own words by writing 3 small paragraphs also is okay. Okay, thank you for listening to me carefully. Goodbye, take care.
Teacher.